There's a switch. If you throw it, half the people on Earth will die. But if you don't, the human race will be extinct in 100 years. What will you do?
And it turns out, of all of those 8.7 million species, life only needs 3 things. As the tall pole, the thing that's hardest to achieve. Not frozen water, and not water in a gaseous state, but liquid water. This is what life needs to survive, all life.
Right now, humans use half of the world to live, to grow their crops and their timber, to pasture their animals. We cut roads through the forest. We have added little plastic particles to the sand on ocean beaches. We've changed the chemistry of the soil with our artificial fertilizers. And of course, we've changed the chemistry of the air.
When you are weak and weary, I will protect your heart, give you myself sincerely. We won't be torn apart.